Today's video is going to have us at the Hyatt Place Houston Medical Center in Houston, Texas. We are in room 908, which is going to be a basic 2-queen with sofa bed room. This is going to be the cheapest room that they have here on property. Let's take a look. So when we first walk in, to the left, it's going to be a sink and toilet area with tissues and bar of soap. We've got the toilet there. Over here we have a standing shower with towels on the left. Pretty decent shower head there. Looks like we have some shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Shower mat there so you don't slip. A couple of extra towels here, and I'm just going to assume that's a map of Houston. We're going to walk out. This does require a key card for the lights to work, so got to make sure that's plugged in or else the lights won't turn on. Then we walk into the main room. To the left immediately is going to be the sofa bed, and I believe it's going to be, yeah, right there. It looks like it's got sheets on it already, but I would imagine we can get some sheets from the lobby as well, but we'll also look in the closet to see if there's anything there. But pretty sizable couch there, as well as an ottoman and little end table here. We do have thermostat on the wall. Nice art as well. Small divider, so there is going to be a little bit of privacy, but not a ton from the sofa bed to the 2 queens. To the right, we're going to have a little desk with a lamp. No USBs here, but we do have some power that's available to us. A small coffee maker, and down here we're going to have the coffee and Twinings tea decaf English breakfast. I guess if that's your thing. A couple of water cups and an ice bucket. And here we're going to have a refrigerator. Yeah, not a mini bar, but we're going to have a full refrigerator so you can bring beverages, or if you've got medicine that needs to stay refrigerated, that's going to be available to you. Above it, we do have a television. 3 drawers. Pretty good size. We've got a closet with an ironing board and a safe. A lot going on in here. As predicted, we do have bedding for the sofa bed. Plenty of hangers. The iron's going to be in here. And then one of those luggage racks. But there's a lot of stuff going on in here. A lot. But you'd have a little closet for a place to hang some things up. And then we've got 2 queen-size beds. Also over here, we do have an alarm clock with USB-C as well as USB-A. So it does look like we'll be able to charge some things via USB. We've got a phone if that's your thing. This does look a little bit worn, but nothing too crazy. A couple of lamps. And then a view of our window, which overlooks the pool. Yeah, not a bad little room. I paid $130 on a Thursday night, so I think this is going to do exactly what I need it to do. Let me know. Have you ever stayed in the Hyatt Place at Houston Medical Center? Is this a room you think that would work for you? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you stay liked and subscribed. Until next time, we'll see you.